भेटवस्तूंची खरेदी.
Buying a present. Good evening, sir. May I help you?
Yes, I want a New Year diary.
Sure, sir. Please look in that showcase.
Would you show the third one?
Sure, sir. Here it is.
Please pack it and give me the bill.
Definitely, sir. Please pay 100 rupees.
Please have it.
Thank you, sir. Any other service?
Yeah, sure. Please help me in purchasing a good gift.
Sure, sir. How much money would you like to spend for the gift?
Money is no consideration for the gift.
Sir, toys will be the best gift for children.
Yes, you have given a good idea.
Sir, here is the section of toys. Please select the best one.
I want to select an aeroplane of new design.
Sir, here is an aeroplane in a new design.
What is its price?
300 rupees only, sir.